Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So we're continuing on with the GUI and we're going to add something, and we are also going to fix a problem that seemed to has occurred after I updated Unity. Now I'm just coming up to the void start. Now as you can see, I begin in the month of October. So I'm not going to do this for every month. I'm going to do it once for October, and I'm going to leave you guys to copy for each of the months. You just need to change out the name. Because if I was to do it for 12, it's a make for a long and boring video, and you know, I think you're all capable of switching out a name of a month. So we'll say if, open and close brackets, and as you can see, I'm here before we display years and after we display first, second, third, fourth, or whatever. So we'll come here and we'll say October equals true. No need to close the line off. Into the comments we'll say if October equals true. We'll come below and we can actually copy one of these lines. So let's copy this line here. So we copy and paste in one of the GUI labels. And let's go through and have a look at this. So we'll need to come here. As you can see, we have one close brackets and a comma. And we'll come to the line below, and then we're going to write in what needs to be displayed. So we'll say speech marks, couple of speech marks. We'll come inside and we'll say October. We'll come to the end and we'll close brackets and we'll close the line off. So we create the GUI label, and as we've done here where we display calendar days plus either RD or ND or whatever, we're just saying October. And in the comments we'll use a similar comment. We'll just say and display the name of the month. So let's come here. We need to change the position on screen on the vertical, and we need a value between this number and this number, which in my case is 65. Let's just save that off. So because I'm starting in the month of October, it should display, which it does. Although looking at that, we're running out of screen. We may have to bring it in, especially for when we're writing November. So we may need to change the GUI position. But for now, you all need to copy this block and swap out here and here for each of the months. So if we come to this block where we say if calendar days is greater than 3 and it does not equal any of these days, this is the line causing a problem, or that's the block, should I say. And if we come to Unity, as you can see, we're seeing ST and TH. So we obviously have a problem. Now this worked when I tried it in a earlier version of Unity, but seems to be a problem now. So we're going to fix this, and what we're going to do is we'll actually get rid of all of this to begin with. And yeah, we'll get rid of the entire line actually. So if calendar days is greater than 3, double and calendar days is less than 21, which is the first one we hit, where we need to change to ST. So we'll close brackets there. We'll bring the comment back into line. So if calendar days is greater than 3 and less than 21. Let's get rid of the empty line there. Then we're going to display TH. Let's see if we can continue on and see if this actually fixes it. And I haven't actually tried this out before recording. Normally I like to try things out, but I'm actually doing this on the fly at the moment. So let's continue on. So if calendar days, we would need for 22nd it's taken care of, 23rd. So if it's greater than the 23rd and less than, and I think we're okay up to the 31st, so we can just change that to 31st. If calendar days is greater than 3 and less than 31, which actually should be 23 now, we'll display TH again. So let's save that off and we'll come to the void start. Let's just downsize that. Let's hit play. So as you can see, it's displaying properly now as the first. Let's just stop that. Let's try changing the calendar day just to see and check, make sure everything's working. We're not going to go through each number obviously, but I'll pick a few at random. There we go, third is displaying. Let's try one between, we said for the first block, greater than 3 and less than the 21st. So let's try a value of 15. And we'll save that off. We'll hit play again. 15th is displaying properly, and let's come back and try the 21st. Let's just save that off there and we'll hit play, and that is displaying correctly. So that seems to have sorted out the GUI issue. I'm going to change this back to 1. We'll come down to the GUI. Now, we do have more work to do on the GUI. This isn't actually the most efficient way. We could really do with creating a GUI group. But I'm going to go over how we move things out, how we create a group, and then move our code into it. And I'll do that all in one video at a later date, but we've still got some tidying up and a few other little functions that we need to get in place with our GUI. But I think we'll do that in the next video. So I'll just scroll down. So here's the block that we changed. I'll just highlight that, so if any of you are having problems, you could pause the video and just double check your code, make sure it's the same as mine. But I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.